Every year, the world watches. But few know where the ultimate symbol of victory truly begins its journey.
Behind every World Cup tournament stands one of the most famous trophies on Earth. But have you ever wondered where it comes from?
Deep inside a highly secured manufacturing facility, engineers, craftsmen, and security teams work together to create a trophy worth millions. From raw materials and precision engineering to polishing, inspection, and secret transportation, every step is carefully protected. But the journey doesn't end in the factory. Once completed, the trophy must travel through a complex security operation involving special packaging, guarded transport, airports, and international delivery. How is the trophy made? Who protects it? And how does it finally arrive at the World Cup stadium? In this documentary, we'll follow the entire journey, from the factory floor to the biggest stage in world football. Stay with us until the end
to see the complete process behind this famous trophy.
Don't forget to subscribe. Every subscription motivates us to create more amazing documentaries like this. Let's get started.
The process begins far from the stadium. Deep within mining regions, valuable materials are extracted and transported under.
The flow looks good here. Check the Knelson, steady pressure. Keep an eye on the feed rate. Excellent, we hit the rich seam.
Before production begins, engineers use advanced digital models to simulate every stage of manufacturing. This helps identify. Real-time data is showing a slight deviation in the assembly sequence.
Adjusting the parameters now. The quality index is returning to nominal.
Keep the flow steady. The furnace is ready.
Roger that. Adjusting speed now.
The thermal analysis is perfect. Initiate furnace preheating. Data confirmed. Commencing Phase 5 procedures.
Batch 41 is ready. Proceed to the furnace.
The transformation starts with molten metal. Heated to extreme temperatures, the material is carefully poured into specialized molds. Before production begins, engineers use advanced digital models to simulate every stage of manufacturing. This helps identify
The precious metal is ready.
Transferring to the furnace.
Precise control. Crucial temperature.
Witness the transformation.
The temperature reading is stable. Verify the processing data here. Verified. The flow charts look good.
The analysis is complete. The chromium levels are exactly as hypothesized.
And the durability report?
It's well within the acceptable margin.
Keep it steady. Slow pour now. Stop the flow. Push them through.
The temperature is fluctuating near the melt point. We need to adjust the flow.
I agree. Reducing the throughput slightly should stabilize it.
Initiating parameters update now.
Keep it steady. Watch the temperature. Looks good. Let's keep going.
The core temperature is holding steady at 350.2 degrees.
Excellent. The cooling profile is within specifications.
Initiating the next phase of the process now.
The temperature is dropping steadily. Okay. Looks like we're right on target. Process holding.
All right, bring that pallet down slowly. Copy that. Watching the clearance on the left.
The temperature is dropping steadily.
Approaching the critical cool down point.
Checks on data.
Keep it steady. Watch the chains. It's clear. Looks good. All right, careful there. Keep it steady. Slowly. Looks good. Check the base. Solid. All right, take it away.
Keep it steady. The mold is almost full. Maintain tension, lifting the crucible. Watch for sparks.
Keep it steady. Looking good. Almost there. Checking the handles. Just a bit more on the base. Perfect. Keep it steady. Clear on the left. Lifting slowly. Look at that. Perfect. Keep it steady. Slowly. Easy, easy. Looks good. Watch the clearance. Just a little higher.
I'm just changing the bit now.
Let me see the finish on that section.
Every shipment is scanned, verified, and recorded. Materials are tracked from arrival to final assembly, ensuring complete traceability throughout the process.
Keep it steady. Slowly. It's clear. Looks good. Beautiful. Let's start the cleanup. Right. All right, switching to the finer grit now. Got it. I'll prep the side.
Inside the factory, advanced robotic systems shape and refine every component with microscopic precision.
Final approval received. Release the secure assets.
Affirmative. Opening vault. Temperature is stable at 25 degrees.
The heat waves have completely faded.
We can proceed with the quality check. The thermal simulation shows a critical temperature increase. Check the cooling system parameters on the main console.
We have a failure in Sector 3.
The thermal transfer is stabilizing. Maintain nitrogen flow at -196 degrees. Confirmation of secure sealing and encryption complete.
The simulation shows the stress points are eliminated.
Excellent.
We have optimized the weight distribution perfectly.
Finalize the schematics. The Aurora 2026 is ready.
The temperature is critical. Maintain stability. Monitoring parameters.
The stress analysis confirms structural integrity.
Excellent. Let's greenlight the final rendering. Authorization conform.
Outstanding work, team. We have a winner.
The polishing is nearing completion. Maintain the specified pressure. Verified. The finish is impeccable.
The yield rate is stable at 98%. Looks good. Let's send the latest model to the shop floor.
Identity verification complete.
The mold release looks good. Surface details, need to check this curve. Just running the gauge now? Yes, that's within tolerance.
Safety teams constantly monitor the production environment. Every stage must meet strict operational standards to protect workers and ensure consistent quality. Object recognized. Classification, Golden World Cup style trophy. Security status, secure. Authorization granted. Ready for transport.
Sector 7 confirms. Perimeter secure. Continue with original routing.
We have an unauthorized deviation at checkpoint 4.
Rerouting to the secondary bypass immediately.
Status update on the trophy cam, is it secure?
Status update on Sector 4. Hold position. Proceed with caution. We have visual confirmation.
Open the vault. Scanning initiated. Authorization granted. Ready for transport.
Keep it steady. Watch the ramp. Almost there. Careful of the edge. Keep it steady. Watch the cables.
Clear. Pushing.
Ramp's closing. Secure the perimeter.
Every kilometer matters. Train drivers and security teams escort the shipment across carefully planned routes.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Clear on my side. Locking into position. Solid.
Eagle 1 to base. Proceeding as planned.
Confirmed. We have visual on target.
Roger that. Maintain trajectory.
All right, secure it tight. Looks good. Check the latches. Scanning complete. Keep it steady. Approach slowly. Secure the container to the floor. Lock it in. We're clear.
With the championship trophy secured, the aircraft begins its journey. The destination, history.
The champions arrive. Let's go! What a sight!
Analyzing composition. Gold trophy detected. Anomaly detection clear. Proceeding to next phase. Verified. Transport cleared for departure.
Yes! We did it! World champions! Unbelievable! We're the champions!
Keep it steady. Watch the alignment. Slow the rollers down. Status clear. Bring it in.
The trophy is secure.
Copy that. Proceed with ramp closing.
All teams fall back to perimeter.
Affirmative.
Don't forget to subscribe. Every subscription motivates us to create more amazing documentaries like this.